So for our next pattern, we're going to be leading the lady with both hands. Now the idea with this lead is, in essence, I'm still leading with the right hand. I'm bringing her arms across, she turns, and we're going to end up with her arms crossed in front of her. Okay, we'll do this one more time. So we turn the lady, and the arms end up in front. Okay, what I'm going to do here, and I'm not concerned about the footwork at this point, is I'm going to take my arms and I'm just going to bring them down her side. Okay, and I'm going to bring them down to her waist. Now the idea is I'm using my wrists for my connection point. Okay? Our footwork is exactly the same as what we just did with the crossbody lead and the comb, but now we're taking it from a double hand lead. So we're stepping 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And we'll do that again. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7.